Explanation of Article 326 of the Indian Constitution. Title: Elections to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assemblies of States to be on the basis of adult suffrage. Plain explanation. Article 326 says that elections to the Lok Sabha, House of the People, and the state legislative assemblies must be conducted based on the principle of adult suffrage, which means who can vote, eligibility. A person can vote in these elections if all the following conditions are met. 1. Is a citizen of India. 2. Is 18 years or older. 3. Is not disqualified under the Constitution or any law made by the Legislature. Grounds for disqualification: who cannot vote. Even if someone is a citizen and over 18, they can be disqualified from voting if they do not reside in the area, non-residents. They are of unsound mind, as declared by a competent court. They have been convicted of a crime. They have engaged in corrupt or illegal electoral practices. What adult suffrage means? Adult suffrage means every adult citizen, regardless of religion, caste, gender, wealth, or education, has the right to vote as long as they are not disqualified. Historical note. Originally, the voting age was 21 years, but the 61st Constitutional Amendment Act, 1988 reduced it to 18 years to broaden participation in democracy. Purpose of Article 326: to ensure democratic representation by allowing all eligible adults to vote and choose their representatives in a fair and inclusive electoral process. The Constitution of India. Part 15. Elections. Article 326. Elections to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assemblies of States to be on the basis of adult suffrage. The elections to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assembly of every state shall be on the basis of adult suffrage, that is to say, every person who is a citizen of India and who is not less than 18 years of age on such date as may be fixed in that behalf by or under any law made by the appropriate legislature and is not otherwise disqualified under this Constitution or any law made by the appropriate legislature on the ground of non-residence, unsoundness of mind, crime, or corrupt or illegal practice, shall be entitled to be registered as a voter at any such election.